Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a website to your Pinterest profile. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some pictures. From here we just go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner, then tap on our profile icon, and then tap on edit profile, and here if we scroll down, here we find the website, and here we can enter the link to our website. We can copy it in the browser app and then paste it here. But yeah, I guess that's basically it. It's very simple. You just tap here and enter the link. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.